Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, alleged that the memorandum of the 10 Kuki MLA submitted to the Prime Minister indicates that the Assam Rifle AR is biased and played partisanship. According to a press release issued by the media coordinator of Cocomi, Imphal Surjit Kumar Khuman, he pointed out the statement of state government asserting that the 15-month-long conflict cannot be controlled due to the loopholes of security measures, following which the central government deployed additional forces in the state. It claimed that people never had disappointment over the central forces, including paramilitary forces, rather than the Assam Rifles. People of Manipur witnessed the partiality of Assam Rifles between the two warring communities during the prolonged crisis, as if there is a hidden agenda. Cocomi never accused Central Armed Police Force. The statement further alleged that the Assam Rifles supports the Chin Kuki narco-terrorists, citing the memorandum submitted by 10 Kuki MLAs, Kuki Inpi, ITLF, Kotu, and several other Kuki organizations to the Prime Minister, pledging for non-removal of the Assam Rifles.